Most people think rich people are smarter, luckier, or born different. But what if I told you? The biggest difference between rich people and everyone else is how they think, not how much they earn. Today, we're breaking down the psychology of rich people, not motivation quotes, not fake success stories, but the real mental patterns that quietly separate the wealthy from the rest. Stay till the end. The last mindset is uncomfortable, but it explains everything. Most people think like this. How much do I earn per month? Rich people think like this. How does money flow even when I stop working? They don't trade time for money forever. They build systems, businesses, investments, skills, or assets. This is why two people can earn the same income, and one becomes rich while the other stays stuck. Question for viewers: do you currently earn money from a system or only from your time? Comment a system or time. For most people, money is emotional. Fear, stress, status, security. For rich people, money is neutral. It's not good or bad. It's a tool, like a hammer. They don't panic when money goes down. They don't celebrate blindly when money goes up. Emotion clouds judgment. Wealth requires clarity. This is why calm decisions often win over emotional ones. Most people try to save money. Rich people try to save time. They'll pay to learn faster. Avoid mistakes, move ahead quickly, because they understand one truth: money can be replaced, time cannot. That's why wealthy people invest in mentors, tools, and leverage, even when it feels expensive. Most people choose small reward now. Rich people choose bigger reward later. This is called delayed gratification. They're willing to look behind for years so they can live ahead later. While others spend to look rich, they quietly build wealth. Discipline beats motivation every time. Poor thinking asks, will this work? Rich thinking asks, what's the risk versus reward? They don't wait for guarantees. They make decisions based on odds. They know most things won't work, but a few wins can change everything. This is why they fail more and win bigger. Most people quit when problems appear. Rich people assume problems will come. They don't ask, why is this happening to me? They ask, what is this teaching me? Problems aren't signals to stop. They're part of the process. This mindset alone keeps most people out of wealth. Most people say, I failed, so I am a failure. Rich people say, this failed, I didn't. They don't attach their self-worth to results. This allows them to take risks, learn faster, try again without ego damage. Your identity should never be tied to one outcome. Here's the part no one likes to hear. Rich people are okay being misunderstood. They're okay being late to parties, quiet in rooms. Different from friends. Change how you see money, and money will eventually change how it treats you. If this video gave you value, like, subscribe, and comment which mindset hit you the hardest. Because the first step to getting rich is thinking differently.